Hey, good afternoon, everyone. The boat we're showing you today is a 2017 Tahoe Saltwater Series pontoon boat with 115 horsepower, long shaft or longer shaft, Mercury outboard 4-stroke with a 4-blade prop. The stainless steel edition of the pontoon boats give you a little bit more comfort in regards to being exposed to salt water. Huge boat, very nice. It's got a flush mount Garmin, an infinity stereo, all kinds of seating, and all the seating, as you can see, has covers for it. It's got a little table there. It's got also has a pop-up changing room, bathroom, the add-on speakers, lots of rod holders, bimini top, tilt steering wheel. Just a very nice, beautiful boat. The boat has just over 130 hours, original hours on the engine. This boat is an original owner boat as well. And this is also very rare. The boat comes with a 2019 dual axle trailer. Not many pontoon boats can you trailer these days, but this one you can. I'll walk around the front, show you the front. This piece of canvas just blew off in the wind. That goes to the console. This boat also is set up for fishing. This has got the live well that comes with it, running lights and docking lights, and it's the GT 2385 RF. There's the trailer, very nice trailer. It's a load right, and it does have brakes. Stop in anytime. M&M Boat Sales. We sell boats for less, guaranteed. Like us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Remember, life is short. Let's get out and enjoy it while we can. Take care.